If you want to know how I take my hair from this to this every single week, then you have definitely come to the right video. So I started off by rinsing out my hair. I did have a little bit of gel inside my hair from a previous day, so I was just making sure that that got washed out properly. And as you guys know, you guys can't have a good wash day without a good wash. So after rinsing my hair, this is what my hair looks like. So I wanted to try to use this pre-shampoo detangler from African Pride to try and help me detangle my hair, just to see how it works and to see if it was compatible with my hair. And no, it didn't really work that well. I feel like this product is more for people with looser hair textures. If you guys are still having trouble detangling, just let me know in the comments and I will surely make an updated version of how I detangle my hair. So I'm going to be using this super amazing gel from Shea Moisture. I really like how this gel just resonates with my hair, and as some of you guys know, my favorite gel right now is the Duke's Big Papa, and this gel is very similar to it, so I highly recommend it. The link will be in my description as always. So I detangled the ends of my section and then smoothed the gel onto my hair, and then I took little pieces of my section and then I just coiled them. I usually coil my hair just because I want them to be a little bit more defined than the rest of my hair. This definitely isn't that long of a process. Once you guys just get used to it and keep doing it every single week, then you'll definitely get easier at it, and then it'll definitely be faster. And a lot of you guys have been asking me whenever I do stuff like this, you guys always ask me, how long does this last? Well, that really just depends on what type of gel you're using. If it's a really good gel like Shea Moisture or Big Papa, then it will definitely last the whole week. And just like that, I'm already halfway done. I normally finger coil the front of my hair, but for the rest of my hair, I do the shingling method. So basically, you just smooth the gel onto your section and then you just split your section into little pieces. That's basically what it is. If that wasn't too helpful, let me know in the comments and I'll give you guys a more detailed explanation. And now I'm fully done and this is what my hair looks like. My hair looks amazing. I really like this a lot. But anyways, this is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions and I will surely answer you. Peace.